Hey everybody, welcome back to our kitchen and welcome back to our channel. Tonight we're gonna cook up something delicious. We're gonna make some, yep, that's it. I forgot what it was called. Maple balsamic Brussels sprouts to go with our dinner. So we already have these washed and completely dry. We're just gonna go ahead and clean them up, cut the little stems off, take off any of the bad leaves. We already started doing all of that. One of the keys to making really good Brussels sprouts is making sure that they're dry. Like a lot of people rinse them and then just start cooking with them. Don't let them drain. We actually washed these last night, and so they're good tonight and they're real dry. So that'll give you a nice crisp Brussels sprout on the outside. It'll also help take in the flavor and the texture. Sometimes, like if the leaves fall off like this, people throw them away. Presentation wise, yeah, but otherwise, those crispy leaves taste real good. Now, I prefer the petite Brussels sprouts. These ones aren't petite, but they're not huge like other ones that we've bought before. So these will be good. We won't have to cut or quarter these. So they'll be able to stay as a whole Brussels sprout. We're also making tonight on another video steak truffle fries and some steak gnocchi. So we'll have 3 separate videos out for tonight's dinner. And all of these recipes will be included in my cookbook that I will be putting out. So if they look delicious to you and it sounds good, I'll let you know when that drops. We're still a couple months out for being able to release. We're not quite finished with all the editing. So it's coming along. It's very progressive. I'm excited. And I think y'all will find it very helpful and enjoyable, especially if you like that good country cooking, Pennsylvania, Dutch, German, but there's recipes in there for everything. We've got desserts, we've got Italian food, we've got Southern food, we have mixed drinks, we've got jello shots, pudding shots, sides, breads, main courses, you name it, it's gonna be in there. And you're just absolutely gonna love it. So I'm excited. I can't wait to be finished and get that released for y'all to enjoy it. But for now, we got these Brussels sprouts where we need them to be. So we'll be right back. As always, if you've watched enough of our videos, you know that we love garlic. So we're gonna go in with about 4 or 5 cloves of garlic minced. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that ready. I have my Brussels sprouts down in the bowl because we're gonna coat them with some oil and some seasoning. So they're all peeled. We're gonna go ahead and chop them up. We just really like garlic. We like keeping those vampires away. I'm just gonna pull that out. And I'm not gonna worry about if I get every last drop because we're gonna use this again. So we're just gonna set that aside. Back to our Brussels sprouts. We got our garlic in here. We got our Brussels sprouts in here. We're gonna add some of that Bezos garlic oil. About 2 tablespoons. The Kinder's buttery garlic herb. Some white pepper. About a tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. So there we got that. We're just going to give that a little mix. Try to get them all coated together. Get them all seasoned, all with some olive oil. not olive oil, well, it is extra virgin olive oil that's infused with garlic, the balsamic, and all the seasonings. I'm gonna spread them on our pan. Single layer. Make sure you get all that good garlic out of there. Put them on a single layer. Try not to have them touch. We're going to put these in the oven at 425 for 20 minutes. We're ready to take these Brussels sprouts out. We're going to make the glaze for the top of these Brussels sprouts. So we're going to take some balsamic glaze. Add a tablespoon or two of the balsamic glaze, tablespoon of maple syrup. Mix this together. And we're going to drizzle this right on top of those Brussels sprouts. I didn't realize my camera stopped working, but after we did this step, we did drizzle the Brussels sprouts and we put them back in the oven for 5 minutes to make them crispy. We got those Brussels sprouts pulled back out. We're going to add some fresh Parmesan on top while they're still hot.
A little smaller than I was expecting. Multicolored makeup balls that you blend together.
Take some of this garlic sea salt and crush up.
570 says limit. I like the Dollar Tree bronzer better, but this is cool because it reminds me of whatever is out. Just like.
And then you're going to take your maple and balsamic glaze and just sprinkle right over the top. Very lightly so that if somebody wants more, they can add more, but you're just going to add a little bit for now. And there you have it, the ultimate maple balsamic Brussels sprouts. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Stay tuned for our next video. Until next time, stay cooking.